What should I do with my old balls? My old role model balls, that is. This is an email or a message that I get frequently. People love rolling on the role model balls. And eventually, the role model balls, they literally lose their logos. They get extremely grippy and extremely squishy by design. And they absorb your body weight. They are going to compress and become even more pliable. But for some, they like the feeling of new balls best. So the question is, what should I do with my old balls? The old balls are just as effective as your new balls, by the way. Research supports that soft balls actually apply deeper pressure because they don't annoy and initiate muscle bracing. But for those of you who enjoy the feeling of that threshold, that pressure threshold that comes from a little bit more pressure, graduate. Get yourself some new balls, but use your older, more compressed upon balls for super tender parts of the body and where you have the thinner muscle layers. For example, your older balls really spread their way across facial muscles and bony structures of your face in a most loving and tender way. Also, places where you have smaller joints, like your hands, the knuckles of your fingers, your palm, and your feet, frankly, really benefit from using the softer, more squished balls. I've had my Alpha Ball for 7 years. I will never give it away.